Like most of the equipment I deal with, some equipment is just too good to leave in the vehicle when you sell it. Case in point, this Nissan Frontier. The client had invested in a system years ago and wanted to transfer it from one Frontier to another. He had a Hertz Millet sub and a custom enclosure that would fit just right in the new truck. The amp turned out to be a classic Audison LRX 5.1K. I used to install these way back in my tweeter home entertainment days. I didn't expect to find some top-shelf Audison Thesis components in the doors. Not that they didn't belong, just rare in a work truck, you know? Apparently there had been a fix somewhere in the past because one of the tweeters didn't match. I ordered a replacement tweeter and luckily they had a single one available. The original system was an Alpine radio running direct to a 5-channel LRX amp. That powered a two-way set of Thesis components and a Millet sub. With quite a bit of clean power and high-performance speakers, the only thing missing was processing. In the new configuration, I added a Bit Nove processor before the amplifier. I built boards for both the amp rack and the DSP and mounted them on the back wall with machine nutserts. I sealed up the access holes in the doors and added sound damping. All the speakers fit behind the factory grills, so the sub was the only visible gear.